The Ducati Panigale V2 Superquadro Final Edition emerges as a tribute to Ducati's illustrious Superquadro twin-cylinder engine lineage, marking the culmination of an era that began with the 1199 Panigale. Limited to just 555 units worldwide, this special edition motorcycle not only stands as a collector's item but also represents the pinnacle of Ducati's engineering prowess and design finesse. Visually captivating, the Panigale V2 Final Edition is distinguished by its striking livery. The fairing is meticulously painted in a combination of red, white, and black hues, complemented by a dark gray fuel tank that enhances its aggressive yet elegant stance. Detailing such as the Italian tricolor accents and the outline of the forward-facing cylinder head on the side fairing showcase the meticulous craftsmanship. A collaborative effort between Centro-style Ducati and Druidi performance. Beyond aesthetics, the Panigale V2 Final Edition boasts exclusive features that underscore its pedigree. A billet aluminum steering plate proudly displays the bike's unique serial number, while carbon fiber components including the exhaust end cap, swing arm protection, shock protector, chain guard, and clutch cover contribute to its lightweight and high-performance ethos. Adjustable rhizoma billet aluminum foot pegs ensure customizable comfort, while the rider seat is adorned with the bike's logo and the iconic Italian tricolor flag, emphasizing its heritage and exclusivity. Powering this masterpiece is a potent 955cc twin-cylinder engine, delivering a thrilling 155 horsepower at 10,750 rpm and 104 Nm of torque at 9,000 rpm. Nestled within a monocoque frame where the engine serves as a stressed member, the Panigale V2 promises exceptional handling and stability, ideal for both spirited rides and track dominance. The suspension setup is equally impressive, featuring a 43mm Öhlins USD fork at the front and an Öhlins TTX36 monoshock at the rear, both fully adjustable to suit varying road conditions and rider preferences. Riding on 17-inch wheels wrapped in Pirelli Diablo Rosso 4Corsa tires, the Panigale V2 ensures superior grip and maneuverability, enhancing its dynamic performance capabilities. Braking is entrusted to Brembo monoblock M4.32 calipers gripping 320mm discs at the front, complemented by a 245mm disc with a single Brembo caliper at the rear, providing precise and responsive braking power. Advanced electronics further elevate the riding experience, featuring multi-level traction control, customizable ride modes, anti-wheelie protection, and a seamless quick shifter, catering to both novice and seasoned riders alike. In essence, the Ducati Panigale V2 Superquadro Final Edition epitomizes the convergence of cutting-edge technology, unparalleled craftsmanship, and timeless design. With its limited production run and exclusive features, it not only celebrates Ducati's racing heritage but also embodies the essence of automotive artistry, a true masterpiece on two wheels, destined to captivate enthusiasts and collectors for generations to come.